The first time you print a job using Secure Print, you will be asked for a 4 to 10-digit PIN number, which will be your permanent PIN number in order to release the job to print at the printer. Another way, the very first time, is to go to Printer Properties on the printer you wish to print to, and next to Secure Print, you will find the Setup box, and this will be the same box that you will get as if you simply clicked Print for the very first time. You now need to put in a 4 to 10-digit code that you will remember, and that will be your permanent code in order to print jobs at that printer. Again, if you forget it, you can always come back and go back to that setup in order to change it and have a new PIN. At this time, you click OK, and when you click Print, you will not be prompted for a PIN number again, but the job will be at the printer in the queue and not be printed. If we had another document that we wanted to print, we simply go to File, Print. We do not need to put the digit codes in again. It is already remembered under your profile, and you click Print. And now the job is in the print queue at the printer, ready to be released. So now we'll take a walk over to the printer and see how to release it at the print station. At the printer, one of the icons called Jobs. You will click on the Jobs icon, and once you click on the Jobs icon, again, depending on your printer, it might look a little different, but all of the printers have an icon called Secure Jobs. You click on Secure Jobs. You will then see a folder for the username that is associated with your print jobs. This is my folder for my username, and I have 2 jobs that are held in this print queue, and it's locked. Once I click on my username, it asks me for the same passcode that I had put in initially for my print jobs. You type in that unique print code and click OK. Once you do that, it will open up the jobs that are held in the queue. In this case, there are 2, and you can also find information out about those particular print jobs. You can delete one or more of those jobs, and again, you can delete all or print all. So once you click Print All, the jobs would then be released to the printer while you are actually located in front of that printer. In this case, I am going to click Delete All. It asks me to confirm, and I have no jobs left to print. The jobs will stay in the print queue for approximately 24 hours, and they will automatically be deleted. So once again, in order to print your job at a Xerox device, you must put in a print code to release the jobs from the printer. Thank you.